Welcome to Maisie Tech. In this video, we're unlocking the power of Google Veo 3, the advanced AI video generation tool, and showing you how to use it on 3 different platforms for free. Yes, while these methods involve using paid tools or trials, we'll guide you step by step on how to access them without spending up front. Whether you're a content creator, designer, or AI enthusiast, this video will help you test Veo 3's full potential creatively and smartly. Stay tuned and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more smart tech hacks, only on Maisie Tech.
First, go to Gemini and ChatGPT for generations. First, you can use Gemini Pro Vesrion. Comment Gemini Free and Ill give you 5 Gemini accounts for 5 random subscribers. Then you should go to the ChatGPT and select GPTs and follow my steps as shown. Then generate a ProPMT and copy that and paste on your Gemini prompt video generator. It might be taken few minuets. Don't skip my steps or video. Then wait for video, and boom, you can go viral from YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram and can be monetized for it. Copy the prompt and paste to Gemini console. Now wait for generation. I'll skip the recording for you. Now wait for generation. I'll skip the recording for you. Boom, you got the most viral AI videos hack. Now you can make video easier and go viral and make income from it. Subscribe for more. Second one is the Google Flow, known as Veo 3. In this Maisie Tech video, we dive deep into how Google Flow and Google Veo 3 work together to create stunning, realistic AI-generated videos. We'll explore how Google Flow helps you craft detailed text prompts, scene guides, and storyboards. Then pass it to Veo 3, which brings your vision to life with ultra-high-quality video output. From cinematic effects to motion control and realistic animation, Veo 3 is changing the way creators build visual content. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this guide will show you everything from setup to sample outputs. Watch till the end and learn how to use these powerful tools to take your creativity to the next level. Boom, you got the most viral AI videos hack. Now you can make video easier and go viral and make income from it. Subscribe for more. Wow, just unbelievable. Watching this AI-generated glass cutting video feels so real, it's hard to believe it's not actually filmed. The smooth slice of the blade, the glimmering reflections on the glass, and the crisp, satisfying sound of each cut. Everything looks incredibly lifelike. The detail is mind-blowing, from the tiny glass shards scattering to the light bouncing off every surface. It's a perfect blend of art and technology, and it truly shows how far AI video generation has come. This is not just a video, it's an experience. Now making from Canva AI method. In this mazy tech video, we'll show you how to use Canva AI to create stunning AI-generated videos, just like what you'd expect from Google Veo's engine. Canva's built-in Magic Media tool lets you generate short video clips from text prompts using powerful AI. Simply type your scene description, choose a style like cinematic or realistic, and Canva will create visuals with smooth transitions and effects. While it may not match Veo 3's Ultra HD capabilities, Canva AI is an amazing free alternative for quick content creation. Perfect for social media, intros, and creative edits. This video is your step-by-step guide to unlocking the power of Canva AI for smart, effortless video making. Waiting for generation, and I'll skip recording. Woo! Now you got a quality ASMR and realistic AI video for your channel. This niche has got more income. Thanks for watching Mazy Tech. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more smart tech tips, AI tools, and creative tutorials every week. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Keep exploring, keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video.